Hello, welcome back to Speaking-lish podcast. Today we will learn an important topic in English and it is reported speech. Reported speech is how we represent the speech of other people, but today we will learn reported speech, commands and requests. So we use it, commands and requests, to report something that is still true. In this case, we don't need to change the verb tense. With commands and requests, the most common tense is simple present. Very good. To make this kind of report, we commonly use the verbs say and tell in its past form. So that is said and told. Now let's check the structure of this kind of reported speech. Here we will have to use subject to set the original sentence, plus an introductory verb, said or told me. That are the most common verbs, or well, introductory verbs. Then the word that. It is optional. You can use it or not in reported speech, plus the sentence that the person said in its original tense. Remember, it is simple present. Let's check an example. I am hungry, he said. The reported speech is he said that he is hungry, or he said he is hungry. Remember, that is optional. Number 2. I don't like Peter, she said. The reported speech is she told me that she doesn't like him, or she told me she doesn't like Peter. Very good. Number 3. I am 40 years old, David said. So the reported speech is David told me that he is 40 years old, or David told me he is 40 years old. Excellent. But some of the sentences start with the verb or the word don't. In this case, the structure will change. And let's check it. We will have to use, again, subject to set the original sentence, plus the introductory verb, said or told me, plus to for affirmative sentences, or not to for negative sentences, plus the sentence that the person said in its original tense. Remember, simple present. For example, arrive on time for the meeting, Marina said. So the reported speech is Marina said to arrive on time for the meeting. Now let's check more examples about this. Don't leave your bike in the hallway, Ian said. What would it be the reported speech? Okay, it is Ian told me not to leave my bike in the hallway. Very good. Another example. Don't worry about that, my friends said. The reported speech is they told me not to worry about that, or my friends told me not to worry about that. Yes, excellent. Now let's finish with an exercise. Here we have 2 sentences. Let's change them to reported speech. The first one, Kelly is sick, her mother said. What would it be? Its reported speech form. Okay, let's check the answer. Kelly's mother said that Kelly is sick. Very good. The second one, get out of my way, Jim said to us. So the reported speech is okay, let's check it. Jim ordered us to get out of his way. Remember, it is not always necessary to use said or told me. We can use another introductory verbs. In this case, ordered us. Let's read again the full reported speech sentence. Jim ordered us to get out of his way. Very good. Now let's check our sentences. The teacher told us. What the teacher told us? First one, be quiet. So, what is its reported speech? Okay, the teacher told us to be quiet. Very good. The next one, do your work in pairs. So the teacher told us what? Well, let's check the answer. The teacher told us to do our work in pairs. Very good. Two more sentences. Don't talk to each other. So the reported speech is: the teacher told us not to talk to each other. And the last one, don't run in the corridor. What would it be? It's reported speech. Okay, the teacher told us not to run in the corridor. Excellent, very good. And let me tell you that that's all for today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to Speak English, leave a like, and if you want a comment, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.